Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Acko.com Health Insurance. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, we have it opened up here on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically health insurance that you pay monthly or yearly, annually, for you to get health insurance. So for example, you go to the hospital and your health insurance, or they cover up a percentage of your hospital bills. So if you're wondering if this is legit, I actually saw this post on Reddit. So Acko Health Plan, what's your experience? So this person said Acko is selling your customer private data to third parties. I don't know if that's true, and a lot of people have been saying that it's a mixed bag. But for my parents, very recently, some minor hiccups, got diagnostic, blah blah blah, and this person got mom surgery, planned ortho. They have a cashless claim and got rejected, and he applied for reimbursement, and it's been a month, still pending. And as you can see, update, it got approved, no deductions, the full amount paid to our account. It took a while, but it was worth the wait. That's pretty good. Plus one, looking some real reviews with Acko Health. They rejected my application because of fatty liver. And I don't know, this seems pretty shady. It's not completely clear on what they do. However, the claims here are legit. However, I do advise exercising caution when insuring your health insurance to a company like this that is not very famous. I would advise you to spend your money on another health insurance that is more reliable and safer than something like this out of the internet. But if you really wanna, you should try it yourself and do some more research about it using my link down below. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.